Before overhauling, pressure test the fuel injector and record its injection pressure. Clean the carbon from the nozzle tip. Remove the cap nut. Slacken lock nut and adjusting screw. Loosen the nozzle retaining nut. Take out the nozzle and distance piece. Remove the dowel pins. Remove the push rod, spring and the spring seat. Clean all the components with kerosene. Take the needle out of the nozzle and cover it. Lap the nozzle, spacer and the contact face of the injector body with a fine grinding paste. Clean nozzle holes with cleaning pin. Put the needle valve back into the nozzle. The needle valve should slide inside the nozzle. Reassemble the components. Tighten the adjusting screw. Test the injection pressure of the injector. Adjust to the required pressure by adjusting the screw. Tighten the lock nut. Ensure that the spray pattern is uniform and fine. The fuel should not drip.